The Great Barrier Reef Whitsunday's cruise boat is anchored beside the pontoon which we are about to explore. This very informative chart explains the different colours you can expect to see depending on how deep the water is that the coral lives in. The stairs for a quick look at the platform where you can stay overnight and see the reef at night. Downstairs again, here are the stinger suits all hanging grouped in their sizes, making it easy for you to choose your own size. The life jacket area. Each bin has a different size life jacket, again making it very easy for you. Here is the little boat that they take you out on for your guided snorkel tour. They take you up current so you can snorkel back to the pontoon with the guides. Coming up is the diving area. All equipment needed is kept in this area and the stairs go down to the diver's launch pad. To the staff and asked if I could go down with the GoPro to show you where the divers take off for their dives. For safety reasons, I was not allowed to go down the stairs any further, so I bent down to show you the launch pad. Maggie was the large fish that was waiting at the base of the stairs to meet new divers, and the staff member pointed it out to me as the diver came in. This is when things got interesting. One of the professional divers offered to take my GoPro down to get a better look at Maggie when the photographer arrived. They fed Maggie and the other fish. Unfortunately, the GoPro does not take colour very well in poor light. Once the professional photographer found out what was going on, he offered to take my GoPro out for a dive. I happily agreed. So you see the roped off area. This is the area where you can snorkel free of charge and see the fish right beside the pontoon. The guided tour is an extra cost, which I did, and I have made another YouTube video of that experience. Here is the large groper. They are very proud of their gropers. I was told the smallest one they have is 1.5 meters long. That converts to 4 feet. The fish are very abundant here. They need the coral to live, and the coral needs them to live. A perfect example of a great design done by the Creator himself. Blue lights are there so that divers can see where to head back to. The coral has started to grow beneath the platform, giving the fish somewhere to live as well. It was extremely nice of Josh to take my camera down and show me what the divers see down on the reef.